This way. Yeah.
As long as the motor's got enough push ahead of it, then you can fly. Just goes down.
Yeah, just barely going upward.
That's all. You're doing fine. Wall wind means that you need a little more power, and you got to have a little softer touch on the sticks.
I'm flying at almost full power.
Huh?
Flying at almost full power.
Yeah. I know, that's what I had with that forward swept thing.
And that looks smoother.
Well, it is, because it's actually got an airfoil.
Yeah, I guess so.
That KF thing that everybody brags about is just turbulence. It's not actually an airfoil. Yeah, I was going to bring the beaver out, but it's a little too much for that.
Yeah, I can see that being a...
Because that thing doesn't have a strong enough motor. I thought it was going to have more power than it did, but it really don't.
Did you get to fly off the water?
No, I didn't. That stuff being sick and stuff, it screwed me up a little bit.
Ah.
I got there, and I had two planes in the car. Those two little foam things that plug in the top and the bottom.
Right.
They were on my dining room table.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. So I helped everybody else out.
That's cool. Still
Everybody
always,
had a good time. It was all right.
always a nice day either way.
Yeah. Everybody gets nervous about the wind, but it's like, it's real simple. If your fingers are soft enough and the motor's powerful enough, wind don't matter.
Yeah. You gotta lead it a little bit too.
Huh?
Seems you gotta lead it a little bit too.
Yeah.
Like you're coming out of the turn, you gotta be on the power before you come out.
You know, because when you turn into the wind, it's going to affect it.
Mm-hmm.
How it flies when there's no wind is different than how it flies. Especially with that thing, when you go to land, keep the power on and actually fly it down with the elevator.
Yeah, I think it's definitely gonna have to bring it in. Or push it in.
Yeah, just keep playing with the elevator and keep playing with the power, that's all. You can land. Take a couple of practice passes to see what it feels like, and then when you're ready, you can land. That thing lasts a long while, though, don't it?
Yeah, this thing goes for about 8 minutes or so. I'm gonna take a shot at bringing it in though. I don't want to stay up there too long. I'll never get it in.
Just set it into the wind and then start playing with the throttle and the elevator, and you can bring it right down. There you go.
All right.
Piece of cake.
Cool.